All right, so this should be number 13. It doesn't look like they wrote 13 on your review because the earlier one was 12 and this next one's 14. So this should be 13. And I'm going to do B because B is the tougher of the two. And I have this equation right here, and I need to solve it for x. And so I need to get this 26 over. I'm going to minus the 26 to the other side. That cancels, and I get 6x squared equals negative 46 minus 26. Use a calculator if you have to. That is negative 72. All right, so I still don't have the squared by itself. I need to move this 6 over. I'm going to divide the 6 to the other side. So I get x squared equals negative 72 over 6, which is negative 12. All right, so I'm getting there now. I have x squared equals negative 12. I need to get rid of the square, so I'm going to square root both sides like that. And this square root and square will cancel, leaving me x equals, remember when you square root both sides, you always end up with plus or minus the square root of negative 12. And anytime you have a negative inside a radical like that, you know you're going to pull it out for an I. So it's x equals plus or minus I square root of 12. And if you get here, you'll get most of the points. But you're missing one little thing here. This can simplify more, square root of 12. Because remember, you're looking for perfect squares that you can pull out of a square root. And it's these right here. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 16, 9. 4 squared is 16, got ahead of myself there. 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49. So you're looking to see if it divides by any of these, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Because those are perfect squares, like the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 16 is 4, the square root of 25 is 5. This one does divide by one of these. 12, it divides by 4. So you would split it into square root of 4, square root of 3. 4 times 3 is 12, right? And bring that I down. So it's plus or minus, x equals plus or minus I square root of 4 times square root of 3. Square root of 4 is 2. So that's 2I square root of 3. When you get used to it, you can start skipping that step right there. And just know that there's a 4 inside this 12, so you pull it out and make it a 2. Square root of 4 is 2. See, I'm looking at it as 12. That's 4 times 3. That square root of 4 comes out and becomes 2. So it's 2i square root of 3. All right, so that is number 13b. I'm going to leave number 13a for you.